And there it is, and of course I'm very excited.
The box itself looks like any other iPhone box. Satisfaction. Double satisfaction. Well, definitely smaller than my Galaxy S21. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get used to such a small phone. What else do we have in the box? USB Type-C cable and a SIM card tool, because this is a European version. There's no SIM card tool if you're in the US. Oh, wait, there should be something else. A manual. But no stickers. If you want them, you have to go to an Apple store and they will give it to you for free. At least that's what they say.
But the whole device is powered by latest iOS 18, which is super cool. I've already updated to this version because out of the box it's an older system. Couple of freebies: Apple Music, Apple TV and Apple Arcade. By the way, that's the second day of usage and I already fill up everything to the max. 120 Hz feels very, very nice and smooth, but the whole thing is basically like in the previous model, that not too many changes. So let me quickly go to the camera, and camera it is. And with the camera we do have a dedicated button, so if you press that button gently, you will get that menu, and when you swipe you will zoom also. Wow, all the way to 25x. That is cool. And if I tap it twice, I can change to zoom, I can change for depth, I can change for exposure, camera, style and tone. Those are the features. This smartphone can record up to 120 frames per second in 4K, but for the purpose of this video in 60 frames per second. Front-facing camera, full length of my arm. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will. And when I'm out of the frame, it will compensate quickly. That's how cool it is. Of course, we do have autofocus and front-facing camera, which is quite important. So you can show all kinds of details. All kinds. Switching to the wide-angle lens, we are greeted with a beautiful pang. Maybe not that beautiful, but still, I think we can even find a fish. If we zoom, I think I spot one. Do you see it? There she is. Look at the quality of that video. 15x, that's the maximum magnification. Nice. Going back, I can see switching lenses during the recording is extremely smooth. And if you want to take another zoom for something far away, let's do it. And it's extremely clean. That is a clean zoom. We can see numbers and everything. It's clean. And if you want to vlog from this smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. Also impressive. Switching to the main lens. Ooh, blur effect. So everything behind me is with a nice bokeh. But we didn't check autofocus in wide-angle lens. So let's do that. And then, in order to do that, we have to take a leaf. Oh, I think I dropped something. And look at that. The quality is on the next level. Wow. Let me reach for the fork again. For vlogging, this is amazing. A little bit of colors for you. Wow, that's very impressive. Natural colors. And also microphones, built-in microphones are amazing. The audio quality is next level, but I think I already said that. And I think that's all I got for now. Let me show you some pictures. Can you vlog at night? This is wide angle lens. And this is the main lens, way brighter. We have a bit of snack. Vlogging style. Front facing camera. Ooh, front facing. Oh, a bit grainy. So you'll be better off vlogging from the main lens. It's kinda usable. Kinda. Nice. A little bit of sound for you. Built-in speakers. And the feedback which is getting, wow, I think this could be maybe even the best smartphone built-in speakers in the world. Battery-wise, well, it's better than the previous model, but nowhere near Ultra, Vivo Ultra. I think if we had a Max version, iPhone Max, then we can compare the batteries to those. When you're recording in 4K ProRes, then the battery goes quite quickly. Well, this is just unboxing. I will make a separate video for the camera and the full review, and of course a cool video for the cases, because I have a couple of them and they're pretty cool. And I think that's all I got. In the end, I could say the software and hardware is top in the line. I'm shocked how close it is to the Ultra Vivo Android flagship smartphone. Well, we also make a comparison video of those two. Well, just the cameras, of course. See you next video. Bye.